Today we have a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Runs Over Officer to Steal Groceries. Felony arrest.
Stop! Put the brakes! Put the brakes!
What happened?
Officers with the Winter Park Police Department responded to a call in reference to an active theft in progress at a Publix grocery store.
Okay. Walked out with what? Six, 23. Show me out. Signal 65, same place. Ma'am, stop! Stop!
Where's she at? I don't even see it.
Stop!
Oh,
Get out of the
there.
car!
Ow! What happened?
I'm yelling
Oh
stop!
my God! Why? You scared me.
Okay, well you should.
Why are you waiting? No.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park and turn it off.
Okay.
Put the car in park and turn it off now. Put the car in park and turn it off now.
You're scaring me.
Stop! Put the brakes. Put the brakes.
What happened?
623. Vehicle versus officer. Stop! No!
Don't hurt me.
Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the car!
Well, you talking about don't hurt you. Vehicle is a deadly weapon. So, you better act right before they use deadly force. You seen how ICE did them. Know what I mean? So, if you know, you know.
Stop the car! Ah! Heart attack! Romeo! X-ray Zulu! Romeo!
Oh, it sounds like ran over his foot.
7-7! Cold Honda! Damage to the driver's door. It's heading on Canton towards Orlando. That's the car. Stop it right there. It's right in front of you. Just proceeded north.
Yeah, ran over his
I got
foot.
hit with the door and it ran over my foot. She hit me with the car. Sorry. All right. What? She had two shopping bags full of stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get video.
She just freaked out.
Yeah, and she decided to just run me over.
She didn't steal. She wouldn't have done that.
I need video. I need video.
Headquarters on behind it. We're northbound. Orlando turning on Hampton. 5 Romeo X-ray Zulu, Romeo 77. Roll left for kids. Vehicles back on Lee Road going westbound.
Let's see if you can get somebody on South Orlando with stop sticks, please.
Thanks, driver. 10-4.
Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground! I'll tell you what happened. Get your hands behind your back right now! Get both hands behind your back right now! I'm not there on me. On my belt. Stand up. We're not having a discussion right now.
Okay.
Minimal traffic, please.
We got one detained. Everything's simple. Everybody can slow down. You go hit your lights.
All the units slow down. Go maintain minimum traffic.
I just got scared. I didn't know what the hell's going on.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, or hurt
Not
me?
at all. Not at all.
Right.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me double. I don't know if LT double lock this one side. Let me just double check it.
It's crazy how victims are always so scared. Or not victims, suspects. Suspects are always so scared. So she was scared, so she decided to put the car in reverse, back up, back the door into the cop, turn, put the car in drive, run over a cop's foot, and continue to just keep on running. Yeah, okay. I'm scared, right?
Lift your hand up. Both.
You turned a simple, shoplifting, whatever, into a whole big ordeal.
You know, see right there.
Face me.
No, don't worry about that. You're gonna get in the car. In the car.
Okay.
Let me get the shield from out this side, all right? I'll be right back.
Can you come up? Can I go?
Not right now, no. When you get to the jail, you get your phone to make calls.
Yeah, 623 to units out. The suspect, the stolen merchandise should be in the trunk. That's where she was putting up when I went to stop her. 72 copy.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
Anything you say can and will be against you in court. Do you understand?
I guess I don't know how he did that to my door. I must have pulled it backwards. I don't know.
So why didn't you stop once we approached you right at this light right here?
I got so scared. I was so scared. I don't know. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I just had an anxiety attack and I felt like I was gonna die and I just wanted to get home to my daughter.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell me?
I just wanted to get home to my daughter. That's it.
Well, now you're not going to your daughter because you just caused all this chaos.
I know.
When you could have just stopped in the first place when the officer approached you inside the store.
I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know. I had an anxiety attack. I didn't know.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody got anxiety, PTSD, and all this other. Yeah, everybody got that nowadays.
Did you need medical attention now?
I think I'm okay right now.
You okay? Okay.
I just.
Okay. She said the reason she took off is because she was having an anxiety attack. She got scared.
Alright,
Yeah.
let's shut the door. Unless you're not done.
Yeah, I'm
Right.
turn the AC on for her.
She got some good stuff.
How you doing? All right.
So what happened?
Lady decided to back out with me, like, still in her door jam.
Okay.
And then ran over my foot.
How's it feel?
This one, foot feels fine. I got steel toes on.
Medical treatment?
I don't think so right now.
Okay, check. So
Yeah, just if anything, it'd be my shoulder from the car. The door.
Did you fall or?
I didn't fall, but so doors open, and she just went forward and reverse with me right there.
Okay.
102550. Go ahead.
Would you like to be checked out medically and everything, or you think you're good?
Follow the Publix.
You can always do it later too, but.
I was gonna say, yeah, let's do it later. We got her stopped finally, so had a lot of moving parts right now.
Okay. Yeah, you want to come out the state? Whatever.
Yeah. If I need it, I'll come by. Thank you guys for coming out.
Glad you're okay, dude.
Yeah. All right.
You have to do a statement?
Huh?
Think you have to do a statement too?
I'm probably gonna have to do a statement. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my shoulder right now. No. But you guys have her stopped over there.
Yeah, they already got her. She's
Okay.
good,
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to do a use of force. I kicked her twice.
When your blood curdling scream came out on the radio, I don't think I've ever sprinted so fast.
All right. Let me go cold.
I assume you want all this loaded back up. Are y'all
Oh, it's y'all's.
okay, bet. Oh, hooray. Come on, go back.
Did y'all still want the bag of ice?
No, I think we'll go there.
How can I help with all of this? I feel
We
so
got
bad.
enough people. We'll put it back. It's mostly
Okay.
damaged anyway, so it just goes in that bin back there. Thank you, though.
Yes, Kim, thank you. I'm gonna go grab a couple more paperworks for your manager, John, correct? Yes. Thank you.
In the end, 50-year-old Soraya was found to be in possession of $386.80 worth of merchandise. She was charged with aggravated battery with a deadly weapon or causing great bodily harm to a law enforcement officer, fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer, petty theft of $100 or more, and resisting an officer without violence. The resisting charge was dropped and the case remains ongoing. She was also charged with numerous traffic violations from this incident. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe.
Unbelievable. Yeah, because what? Felony amount is what, 500, 750, whatever. It depends on where you're at, whatever. But you literally turned a misdemeanor into a felony for no like, it's crazy. Craziness, man. Unbelievable. People are freaking nuts. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.